Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is my second video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to install Ubuntu as a virtual machine. First of all, you want to get VMware Workstation 10. There'll be an annotation to the video to how to get it for free, and the link will be in the description. Okay, so once you've got that installed, you want to go ahead and go to ubuntu.com/download/desktop. The link will be in the description, and you want to choose you want to download Ubuntu. What is Ubuntu? Ubuntu is basically Linux. So it's a 32-bit, is for machines with less than 2 GB of RAM. Mac users can use the Mac AMD 64, and 64-bit users with more than 2 GB RAM, you can use 64-bit. I have 64-bit, so I would download the 64-bit version. And you can skip this if you want. You can contribute. I'm just gonna go to the download page. Now it'll take you to the download. It'll say thank you for downloading Ubuntu Desktop, and it should start to download. Since I already have this downloaded, it's a pretty big file. I'm not gonna download it again. So this is the Ubuntu ISO file. So you're just gonna want to save it on your desktop, and what you're gonna want to do is open VMware Workstation, the one that you downloaded earlier, and you want to create a new virtual machine. You want to go with a typical. You want to go with a disk file or an ISO file. Go on your desktop. You want to go to the ISO file. So Ubuntu 64-bit 14.04 detected. This operating system will use easy install. Okay, so you want to click next, and you can personalize your Ubuntu. So I'm just gonna write that, and then your password, I'm just gonna write hi, because I'm not really gonna use this. I already have Ubuntu as a secondary operating system on my PC. Whoops, okay. Like a boss. Like a boss. Like a boss. You have entered a username must consist of lowercase letters, numbers 0 to 9, or dashes. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, fine. Phase 03. Okay, good. So you want to name your virtual machine whatever you have. For by original, it's gonna name it Ubuntu 64-bit, and I'm gonna leave it like that. Now, you can choose how large you want the hard disk to be. I'm going to make it 20 GB, which is the recommended size. Since I'm not going to use this, it doesn't really matter for me. I'm going to delete this anyway. I'm going to do it as a single file instead of split, because I don't need to convert my machine into other computers. So I'm going to go click next, and then you want to click, you have a chance to customize your memory, your processors, your DVD. You can change the ISO image if you need to, and you can basically just look through the hardware, and then that's one chance you get to customize. And then you click finish, and it will automatically create a virtual machine for you. Now this is basically a virtual machine in Ubuntu. You've successfully created a virtual machine. Now I'm also going to guide you guys through the installation process. So what you want to do is you want to power on this virtual machine. There'll be like something like sound like that, which doesn't sound very good, but who cares? You just want to wait. It'll come up soon, and there you go. You find Ubuntu set up like that, and you can basically I'm going to just do Control-Alt. This is basically going to load into the Ubuntu installation process. And what this will do is it will install Ubuntu as a virtual machine. I'm going to actually take this time to explain to you guys what a virtual machine is. A virtual machine is basically it's a machine. It's a small part of your hard disk which can be allocated to a certain operating system. I'm not going to go into too much detail. I'm just going to say that. And as you can see, the Ubuntu setup has been booted, so it's gonna do that for installation. You want to go into that and then that, and it's gonna say that for verifying the installation, detecting file systems, creating ext for file system, partition 1, it's gonna create all of the stuff. So it's gonna actually copy files, it's gonna welcome to Ubuntu, and you just wanna wait. It won't take very long. I'm not gonna actually come back when it asks me to restart or something like that. So, or something interesting happens during the process. So, yeah. Guys, welcome back. Now, I just finished the installation of my Ubuntu, and, now it's just going to reboot itself. Now it's going to say some stuff like this. These are not errors. VMware is just starting to, run Ubuntu for the first time. So, these are not errors. These are all okay. So, don't worry, they're gonna do some stuff here, and this is all normal. So if you get these errors, don't worry, it'll go away, and these won't happen every time you start up, so shouldn't worry. It's just gonna take some time. So run the VMware ThinPrint service. So you just want to wait. And I'll actually get back to you once we finish doing this process. Alright guys, welcome back. It didn't take very long, but I actually did work it out. So, you just have to wait for it and it'll work. Password. Oh no, I think I did hi. So, password hi. Just let it log in. It's gonna log in for the first time. Shouldn't take very long. And there you go. Here you have it. Here you go. You have Ubuntu successfully installed on a virtual machine. It's a nice operating system. And I don't know why I can't close this, but I don't really care. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to close the virtual machine, all you have to do is shut down, and it will commence the shutdown. So thank you guys for watching. Next video hopefully will be installing Windows 10 technical preview as a virtual machine. And like, subscribe. Thank you guys very much.